When users fill a form, a lot can happen in the background, like fetching data, running an agent or processing inputs. But the user doesn't see any of that. So if the screen stays still for a few seconds, it can feel like the form is stuck or broken. And that's exactly where loading screens come in. A loading screen simply tells the user that something is happening in the background. Let me show you how to add one. I'll double click on the canvas, go to question types and select loading screen. Once I add it, the first thing I do is define the message. For example, I can write something like, "We are searching your profile in our database." Now this is useful in cases like a find one record step, where the system takes time to fetch data. Instead of leaving the user on a static screen, this clearly shows that the process is running. You also have multiple loading styles to choose from, like bar loader, spinner, pulse, skeleton, or wave, and you can align the content based on your design. Now, let's look at a quick use case. Say a user uploads a resume. Right after that, I can add a loading screen that says processing your resume. Then I add another one that says extracting data from the resume. So as the workflow progresses, the user sees exactly what's happening step by step. Now, when I publish and run this, you'll see that instead of the form feeling stuck, it clearly shows each step in progress. And that's the value of loading screens. They don't just improve the UI, they guide the user through the process and make your form feel responsive and reliable. And honestly, all it takes is a tiny command.